everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Rosa Marie and in this video I would like to share with you my love for fashion and food. I'm very excited to show you today how to wear the color yellow and also how to prepare a delicious pasta dish with green vegetables. I am sure you will be asking yourself, what have fashion and food in common? The answer to this question is quite easy. Everybody has to eat and to dress every day, and I strongly believe that what we eat is absolutely reflecting on how we look and feel. On the other hand, being well dressed influences our confidence and shows people that we take care of ourselves. So the first thing that comes to my mind that links fashion and food is the ingredients, the quality of the raw material. We all know that it is important to get fresh and high quality products to prepare a good meal. For me, the same rule applies to shopping and to my wardrobe. I prefer to choose few clothes of good quality. As you know, I am sure good quality clothing tends to fit better and keeps its original shape better than lower quality pieces. I love fashion and I also love to cook. It is for me a real moment of sharing and joie de vivre. So if you are ready, let's start. Today we are going to prepare penne with basil pesto and green vegetables. For 4 servings you would need the following ingredients: 300 grams of penne pasta, a chopped zucchini, 180 grams of peas, olive oil, salt and pepper. For the pesto sauce we will need 55 grams of almond powder, 1 clove of garlic, 50 grams of ground parmesan, 40 grams of basil leaves, lemon juice, 150 grams of olive oil, and if you like, some butter. We are preparing our vegetables and we will also boil the water so that we later can cook the pasta. So in a small pan I have added olive oil, which I heated up, and now I'm going to add the zucchini, which we are going to cook with the peas for about 5 minutes. This will make the base for our vegetables. So let them cook for about, as I said, 5 minutes. Okay, here we have boiling water for the pasta. So let's increase the heat that it boils and we can add our pasta. The water is starting to boil so that we can add salt. Do not forget to add salt because this is the only moment that pasta will be seasoned. So now I'm going to add my pasta. So I have added my pasta to the boiling water and I stir it so that it doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the pot. Meanwhile, I add some salt and some pepper for the taste. So our pasta is now almost ready. I cooked it almost for 10 minutes so that it's still al dente. Our vegetables are also ready. I'm going to put that later on in the big pan with the pesto sauce and with the green vegetables. So I think we have all our pasta here now. Okay, so for that we need some water, pasta water, which we are going to put in the pan, a little bit more, like that. And I'm going to add now the pasta sauce and mix it. We're going to add the pasta to our sauce and mix it in this sauce. And now we're going to add our vegetables. So it has really a nice color. Our dish, for that we're going to put some of it in our plate. And add to it some Parmesan flakes. And ready is our penne with basil pesto and green vegetables. So now I would like to talk about my outfit, and I will present you with the details of my outfit. Today I am wearing a white lace blouse that has a slim fit, a beautiful high neck and long sleeves. Both the neck and the sleeves have an elegant finishing touch, as you can see. What I also like about this blouse is the peplum waist. An additional detail of the blouse is the zip closure, which runs from the neck to the waist. The yellow trousers I am wearing with my blouse have a high waist and a wide leg, as you can see. They have been wonderfully crafted and cut to an extra long flared silhouette. I like to have them very long so that it covers the shoe. It's all about the cut. In this way, it's going to elongate your leg, and it's classy and it's really slimming. The longer it is, the longer it will make you seem. Did you know that yellow is the most noticeable of all colors to the human eye? It's associated with the sun and promotes happiness and optimism. I styled this golden chain belt with the outfit. You can also use a very slim yellow belt. This looks very elegant as well. The shoes. I have matched the outfit with black patterned leather pumps. The shoes have a high heel because the trousers are quite long. And why I like this shoe particularly, it is because when the pointy part points out underneath the trousers, it really gives you the illusion of longer legs. Handbag. I like to match handbags and shoes. That's why I selected for this outfit a black patterned leather bag. It just looks so harmonious. In my next video, I will show you a new outfit and a new recipe. And I will also expand a little bit on the similarities between food and fashion. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel.